Welcome. Let's talk about OG Fan Token. Yeah, OG Fan Token trading right now is still number 4 crypto coins that is trading right now on coin market cap. Remember, this coin have actually hit 250% increase in price within the last 10 days and 210% increase in price within the last 4 days. Now the price is actually trading between $9.01 at the time of recording this, with a market cap of about 34.7 million. Now in the past 24 hours, over $166.2 million has been traded in the past 24 hours. You can see that the past 24 hours, the trading volume is almost 4 times the market cap. Okay, I believe right now this coin is the price have actually dropped, but maybe so many people have actually pulled out. Some people who want to trade to earn and pull out. So I believe a lot of people must have earned a lot of money with this coin right now. OG Fan Token, I imagine 250% price increase. There's a lot of gain, there's a lot of profit, and almost 210 in the past 4 days alone. Right now this coin is now red. The coin is dropping, so that's why so many people are actually pulling out of the coin. But at least pushing this far is amazing to see OG Fan Token really increase this far, and I believe this increase will definitely bring some changes for this coin. A lot of people now, many people didn't know about this coin until now, that this coin is among the top 4 trading coin, and people get to know more. I mean, some people will still buy, some people will still buy to store to. So it's a good thing to see OG Fan, even though right now this coin have actually dropped, but I still believe that yes, we might be seeing this coin hitting $100 price in the future. But right now this coin have actually hit 250% in the past 10 days and 210% in the past 4 days. Well, please kindly subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any of our latest crypto videos. And remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.